I came to the retreat for personal growth. The connection of everything to everything else. The retreat talks about how we are in a system, we are connected to each other. The cows are connected to our food, the garden is connected to our food, we are connected to each other, and it is part of how the world works. Valuing myself and how that means that I can give to others. Facilitators are excellent. They are connected with each other, which means they can give from a holistic perspective, they can give from their individual perspective. They have knowledge of the world, they have knowledge of themselves. It connects together and they're great. I can incorporate the things I've learned at the retreat into my daily practice, my discipline to make myself a better person. Do it! It's the best week of my life so far. I've been able to learn so much about myself, and I'm just really looking forward to bringing it back to my everyday life.